Hi, my name's Laura House-Barbie and I'm a product manager here at Aula. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to use rubrics. So you can see here that I am in Handin right now in a space called DevOps 101. And you can see that I currently have one open assignment and one closed assignment. Up here, you'll see that I'm currently on the tab that shows all of my assignments, but I can also move into the rubrics area. So right now we've got a number of different test rubrics here right now. And if I click create rubric in this top corner, I can start building a new one. So there are two kind of sides to this rubric. On the right-hand side here, you'll see scoring type. There are three options, meaning that you can choose fixed scores per criteria, a range of scores per criteria, or no numerical scores associated with it at all. And I'll show you what each of these might look like. So I'm going to start off with fixed scores. And I'm going to give my rubric a title. So I'm going to call it Test Rubric 1. And I'm going to start off by adding a criterion. In this case, it might be clarity. And as often the case with rubrics, you will have a number of different levels associated with each criterion. So I might indicate that in this case, the value for low clarity would be 3 marks. The value for medium clarity would be 6 marks, and the value for a high level of clarity would be 9 marks. Now, you can put as much description and detail as you want into each of these descriptors. Often there'll be a lot more detail so that you can understand exactly what's required or what a low clarity would mean. I can now choose to add more descriptors if I had a number of different levels that I wanted to include, or I can add a new criterion. So another might be organization. And in this case, it could be, for example, poorly organized with a value of 3, well organized with a value of 6, and excellently organized with a value of 9. So you can continue to add as many descriptors and as many criterion as you want to. In this case, I am going to show you what it would look like as a range as well. So, for example, with a range, you can give yourself between 1 and 3 marks, between 4 and 6 marks, and between 7 and 10 marks for each of these. So that's what a range would look like. When it comes to grading, you'll select from within this range. And then the grading type for none just means that there are no specific numbers attached to it. You're using the rubric as an indicator of performance, and then the grade might be calculated separately. So in this case, I'm going to use a fixed range. And I went for 3, 6, and 9. And I'm going to do that again here, 3, 6, and 9. And then I'm going to save my rubric. Great. So now that that's been saved, you can see here that test rubric 1 lives up here. And if I click on it, it looks exactly as it was when I saved it.